Rasta Man. Rasta Man, are you me attack? Rasta Man with the natty locks. You turn your back upon me. Hey, you're not afraid I man cut it off. You act like you were bald. But you act different. You talk about natural things and do natural things. Just Miras will come out on the mouth some my time. It nasty. It sick drunk stomach. Burn out all nastiness, all sickacy. More fire. No water upon a Rasta man. Who not truthful, who not kind, who not conscious, who not have nothing about themselves. Burn a fire. No water upon a Rasta man who treat them empress like trash. Lick them in a crowd. Treat them like dog. No Ras. Man for humble themselves. Treat the empress them rough. Treat them like how you treat mama. You ever notice about a Rasta man? That when them pass you, I bless. Greetings, sister. Selassie. Fireman. Yeah, it's all about the Rasta man. Them never deal with the pork, the beef. Don't hang round the barber shop, nor the patty shop. Be a true Rasta man. Follow the rule. Don't break it. Don't make mistake by another religion. Follow your mind and you can see how you can become a true Rasta man of Selassie. Ja Rastafari. Alright? Yeah. Just also like the one there. Want to subscribe, share. Remember to leave a comment. People, may I depend on you to do this. If you not subscribe and especially subscribe, I can't do this. May I depend on you to make my thing just soar. You understand? So we just do. I say Jamaica. I say the world me I beg for this. The world me I beg for do this. There's no say. In the easy just for just write. I'm kind of good at it. You understand? But I take my time to do this too. No, for entertain. No. So me I beg you. Just do this for me. Just subscribe and share and tell a friend, and they will thank you at the end. Alright?